Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those that are new here, my name is Chantel and my videos focus on macrame tutorials. I typically post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so be sure to hit subscribe below for new tutorials every week. This is the second video in my Macrame Shapes series. Today I will teach you how to create a macrame circle. On Friday, I will show you how to create a circle by attaching a ring to your wall hanging. Let's get started. This pattern creates a circle that is 2.5 inches in diameter, but you can use this method to create a circle of any size. Cut an extra cord that is approximately 25 inches long to use as your filler cord. Attach it to the left side of your wall hanging using a double half hitch knot. We will now create the top half of the circle. To do so, tie double half hitch knots in a semicircle from left to right. We will now create the bottom half of the circle. Moving from the right to the left, tie your double half hitch knots in a semicircle. To finish it off, you can either leave the two ends of the filler cord hanging from the side or tuck them into the circle. I'll show you how to tuck them in. Use a tapestry needle and thread the end of the bottom cord through the front of the double half hitch knot at the top. I find it easiest to thread it all the way through the first half hitch and then the second half hitch. I've gone through the first half hitch, now I'll go through the second half hitch. Repeat that process, threading the top cord through the front of the double half hitch knot at the bottom. Thread it through the first half hitch knot, then the second half hitch knot. Cut off the ends and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.